Blue Lotus 1205G Automatic Laying Machine. It is a high-end device with extremely powerful functions. The servo control system, as the heart of the entire machine. Excellent quality. Smoother fabric spreading. The fabric spreads out more evenly, and more effective reduction of fabric loss. Secondly, the tension adjustment mode. The characteristics of the fabric can be more effectively targeted to adjust the elasticity of the fabric, make it particularly tolerant to various fabrics. Automatic edge trimming device can also be selected according to the fabric curling situation. Laying wheel mechanism. Drive the fabric to spread on the countertop. And the cutting blade cutting device. Single layer fabric breaking device. Automatic sharpening device. Avoid blade passivation. Save the trouble of disassembling. It can also be customized according to customer needs. More customers choose to increase the height of the host. This is for factories with multiple layers of fabric and thick fabrics. For efficiency, under the dual pull mode of the fabric laying machine, usually calculated based on 8 hours per day, lay about 10,000 meters of fabric every day, equivalent to the laying efficiency of 4 to 6 people. Follow me to learn more about configurations.